Hello. This session, I want to tell you how to run an Android emulator on your computer or your laptop. Actually, emulator is used to run your Android project on your PC or laptop. I have actually 3 great suggestions for you. My first suggestion is to use your own Android phone. The phone that you are actually using can be used as the emulator for testing your software or apps you have developed. To this end, you only need to connect your phone to your laptop and run your project on your phone. Just as easy as this. There is a good reason for my suggestion. When you are running your Android project on emulators on laptop, many programs may face problems. For example, you may develop an application that needs to use your GPS, or it might use your Wi-Fi, or other apps, yeah? You want your maybe, for example, you want your application to use Google Maps. They're impossible to run on your emulator because they need special hardware or sensors. For example, your application might need your fingerprint sensor. It is impossible on your laptop to use your fingerprint, so you need the sensor on your phone. These hardwares, are missing in your Android emulator software, which you have installed on your laptop. So this is my suggestion that Android phones are the best emulators ever you can use for testing your applications. The second suggestion is to use BlueStack software. This software is a very powerful virtual simulator that you can install it on your system or actually on your laptop, and you can run Android applications with it. The third method is to use an application that is a part of the Android Studio software. It is called Imdb Manager. Imdb Manager is very good, but there's a big problem with that. It is that it loads very slowly in the beginning, and usually it takes 5 to 7 minutes to run Imdb Manager on your laptop, which can be bothering for most of the users. For this reason, my suggestion is to install your applications on your Android device, your Android phone, and the second suggestion after Android phone is BlueStack, and the last choice can be the Imdb Manager. So, I will tell you how to use and install all these 3 options in order to test your Android applications. The first method is Android device. How can we test apps on Android device? Look here, I have prepared a video clip for you in which I have used the Samsung Android device, and I have described how to enable USB debugging. What is USB debugging? USB debugging is a feature of Android phones which enables you to use your mobile device for testing the apps you have developed. And only by enabling USB debugging you can use your Android device for testing Android apps. So, what should we do? The first step is to enable developer options on your phone. Developer options are the options which are used for programming. They are by default disabled on your phone. By enabling the USB debugging, you're telling your phone that you want to use it for programming. But how should we enable it? To enable it, you should go to Setting of your phone, and here you should select About Device. In this video, as you can see, I go to Setting and select About Device. In the About Device section, you should find Software Info. Yeah, here it is Software Info, and select it. This page shows several information about your phone, yes? Here, you should find build number. It's here. You have to tap several times on build number. You will see a sign showing that developer mode has already turned on. It means that developer mode is on and you can use this phone for programming. Now, you have to go back twice in the menu, the previous menus, and you will see a new choice named Developer Options is added to your menu. You should tap on the Developer Options after its activation. There is a toggle in front of Developer Options that you have to turn it on. And in the bottom of the page, you will also turn USB debugging on. It is enabled now, yes? I have enabled it in the past. It was off initially like this, and I turned it on. This was the way to enable USB debugging on your phone. After enabling, you should connect your USB cable to your laptop. I have connected it before, yes? Now, you open Android Studio. Now, you can see the name of your phone in Android Studio. This is the phone. I have enabled USB debugging on it. Yeah, you see the name? Well, next sessions, I will describe how to use BlueStack, actually the second method for running projects. If you don't want to use your Android phone, you can easily install BlueStack on your PC or laptop, and I will explain it to you the next session.